welcome back to the J Delight channel, everybody, and Happy New Year. Hope everybody had a great New Year holiday. Today, we're going to recreate a famous fast food item, the Big Mac Burger from McDonald's. For 2022, J Delights is going to make more recipe videos and recreation food videos as well. So stay tuned for all of those. Now, I'm very excited for the Big Mac Burger, so let's head to our kitchen to make the burger right now. Let's go. Let's start off with the Big Mac sauce. So I have some mayonnaise right here, and let's mix it with some mustard. Add some minced garlic and some chopped onions. The next item, we're going to add in some diced pickles and some pickle juice. Next, some onion powder. And some paprika powder. Okay, so now mix all of it up. As you can see, it's turning a little bit pink. This is the Big Mac Burger sauce looks like. And here you go, here is your Big Mac Burger sauce. Okay, so now let's make our burger patties. We have here some ground beef, and we are going to season the ground beef. We have here some salt. Let's have a teaspoon of salt. Add it to the ground beef. Next, some pepper. And just mix it in. We have seasoned our ground beef here, and as you know, each Big Mac has 2 patties, and we're going to make 2 burgers today. So we have here our ground beef that we have seasoned. We want to turn this into 4 separate bowls. Okay, so I have separated the ground beef into 4 bowls, and we just have to make it into a ball shape now. Here's 4. Okay, so we have make it into 4 balls now, and let's make our patties now. So add a little bit of olive oil to the pan. Make sure to coat all the pan with the olive oil so it won't stick that way. Let's make our patty. Let's grab a ball here, place it in the middle, and let's grab a spatula. Using the back of a spatula, press down. Okay. There you go. Here's your patty shape. Alright, so now let's flip our patty. Okay. It's ready. Now let's talk about buns. And for buns, for the burger bun, we actually have a bottom bun here, and we have a middle bun. As you know, in Big Mac, usually there's a middle bun, and it's between the patties and also the sauce. And of course, there's the top bun here. How we actually prepare this is you actually need another bun and just cut into those buns and get the middle piece of the bun. So this is how we actually do it, and this is the end result. Let's proceed to toast our buns, and I actually have already buttered the buns here inside out. Okay, and now let's toast our buns. Let's toast both sides of the bun. Let's flip it. Okay, so now we got our buns, we got our patties, and let's go make our Big Mac right now. Let's go. Before we make our Big Mac burger, we have 3 ingredients that I haven't shown to you guys yet. I'm going to put it into the burger as well. We have some pickles, we have some slices of lettuce, and slices of onions. Let's assemble the Big Mac burger. Gonna start with a bottom bun, some lettuce, some onions, some sauce, next some cheese on top of the sauce, and here comes your first burger patty. And now the middle bun, some lettuce, some onions, back to the sauce, be generous about the sauce, and next some pickles. Place 2 pickle, yeah, and your burger patty, and let's crown this Big Mac burger with its crown, a toasted bun. Alright, so now is the best part. We have made our Big Mac burger and I'm so excited to eat this burger. So let's give it a try. It tastes exactly like the Big Mac burger from McDonald's. The sauce is spot on, lettuce, and also even the arrangement of how I arrange it just tastes like the same and it looks the same as well. So a big thumbs up, and I say this recreation is a success. I have another bite.